Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 7 mistakes that kill your productivity. These are the small habits that quietly destroy your focus, energy, and motivation, even if you think you are working hard. The good news is, all of these mistakes can be fixed. You just need to recognize them and make small changes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to avoid and how to make your day much more productive. We will cover each mistake in detail and I will give simple, practical solutions you can start using today. Let's get started. Come on. The first mistake is not having a plan for your day. Many people wake up and just react to whatever comes first, checking their phone, emails, or jumping into tasks without priority. When you don't have a plan, your brain feels confused. You waste time deciding what to do instead of actually doing it. It's like driving a car without a map. You move, but you don't go anywhere meaningful. The result? You spend hours jumping between small, unimportant tasks. At the end of the day, you feel exhausted but have not completed anything truly important. Here's the solution. Plan your day the night before. Spend just 5 minutes before bed writing down your plan. Focus on your top 3 most important tasks, the tasks that will truly move you forward. Don't overload your list. A short, realistic plan keeps your day focused and achievable. When you wake up, your plan is ready. You know exactly what to do first. Starting your day with clarity immediately reduces stress and boosts your productivity. The second mistake is multitasking. Many people think multitasking saves time, but it actually slows you down. Your brain can only focus deeply on one task at a time. Switching between tasks breaks your concentration. Even small interruptions cost you several minutes to regain focus. The fix is very simple. Focus on one task at a time. Give the task your full attention until it is done. Finish it completely before moving to the next task. This way, you actually make progress instead of feeling busy all day. You will notice your work is faster, better, and less stressful. One task at a time is far more effective than multitasking. Mistake number 3 is phone distractions. Every notification, message, or social media alert interrupts your focus. Even a short glance at your phone can make you lose your flow. After checking, it can take 10 to 15 minutes to get back to the same level of focus. All those tiny distractions add up. By the end of the day, you have lost hours without realizing it. Here's the solution. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Keep your phone out of reach while you are working. When it is out of sight, it is easier to stay focused. Check your phone only during breaks. This way, it won't steal your attention from important tasks. The fourth mistake is working without breaks. Many people think taking a break is lazy, but the opposite is true. Working non-stop drains your energy and focus. Your brain can only maintain attention for a limited time before performance drops. When your mind is tired, even simple task feels difficult and mistakes happen more often. Use the Pomodoro technique, that is, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. During breaks, stand up, stretch, drink water, or take a short walk. These small actions recharge your brain. When you return to work, you will feel refreshed, more alert, and able to concentrate better. The fifth mistake is working in a cluttered space. Messy desks create mental clutter. It is harder to focus and you may feel stressed without realizing it. A cluttered environment slows you down. You waste time looking for items and your mind gets distracted. Mess and disorganization often lead to frustration and low productivity. Clean your workspace every morning or night. Keep only the items you need for your current task. A neat desk makes your mind feel calmer. It is easier to focus and complete tasks quickly. A clean workspace also boosts your motivation. You will feel more organized and ready to work. The sixth mistake is saying yes to everything. Many people take on tasks for others even when they are already busy. Suddenly, your schedule is full of tasks that you are not yours. You feel stressed, tired, and overwhelmed. You end up working hard but not on the things that matter most. Your priorities get pushed aside. Start saying no politely but firmly when you can't take on more tasks. You can also say, I can't do it right now, or can we do this later? Small changes like this protect your focus and energy. Focus on your own priority task first. By protecting your time, you get more important things done. The seventh mistake is not sleeping enough. Lack of sleep reduces focus, energy, and even memory. When you are tired, simple tasks feel harder. Your brain makes more mistakes and motivation drops. You may work longer hours but get much less done because your brain is not functioning properly. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Your brain needs rest to perform at its best. Avoid screens for at least 1 hour before bed. The light from phones and laptops keeps your brain alert. Good sleep gives you more focus, more energy, and higher productivity throughout the day. And that is it. Those are the top 7 mistakes that kill your productivity, and you are going to fix them. Even fixing one of these mistakes can make your day better. Fixing all 7 can completely transform your productivity and your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.